What's up, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. This is vz103673. Now, this is one of our vicrez fog lamp lights, and these are black. Now, these are for the Jeep Grand Cherokee, as well as the Dodge Durango, fitting 2018 models all the way up till 2026 and current models. Now, this may change in the future with the change of the vehicle, but if not, we can continue to use these so far with every vehicle. Now, this is the left and right side. It's vz103673 if you want to see it here. And if you want to order them separately, the VZ just changes the last number. You have 3671 and 3672 for the left and right side if you want to order one separately, if you only need to replace one. Now, this is what they look like. Of course, you can see the mounting points on the side. And then on the back here, you can see the knob to adjust your headlight or your fog lights up and down, and then as well as the plug port. Now, that's pretty much it for these fog lights. If you want to see more videos just like this one or some more of our products, please consider liking and subscribing to our YouTube channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to get notified about when we post more videos just like this one.